You don't always realize how much easier life can be until you come across the right gadget. Temu is full of those surprisingly smart tools that solve small problems in ways you didn't expect. They're not flashy or complicated, just clever, practical, and some of these picks are just too good to stay under the radar. All the mentioned gadgets links are in the description below. Number 30, Smart Coffee Maker. This 3-in-1 single-serve coffee maker gives you the freedom to brew your coffee just the way you like it. This coffee maker is compatible with both K-Cups and fresh ground coffee. It offers flexibility for every preference. So if you're craving a bold espresso or a smooth Americano, the adjustable brewing sizes let you customize each cup to perfection. Compact and efficient, it's ideal for home, office, or travel, making it easy to enjoy high-quality coffee anywhere. There's no waste, no long wait times, just fast, flavorful coffee made your way. With its sleek design and simple controls, this coffee maker is perfect for busy mornings or quick breaks, delivering convenience and taste in every single cup. Number 29, Digital Photo Frame. Sometimes the best memories deserve more than just a spot on your phone. The ApolloSign 10.1-inch digital photo frame brings those moments to life with a vivid full HD display that looks great from every angle. It quietly fits into your space, whether standing on a shelf or hanging on the wall with the included hook. With Wi-Fi connectivity, a responsive touchscreen, and 32 gigabytes of built-in storage, sharing photos and videos becomes second nature. It even works with the NixPlay app, making it simple to update your frame from anywhere. Smart, subtle, and always ready to display life's highlights. Number 28, Food Warming Mat. This silicone kitchen warming mat is designed to keep your food at the perfect serving temperature. It features 4 adjustable heat levels that evenly warm the entire surface, so every dish stays hot and ready to enjoy. The raised feet provide airflow and protect your table or countertop from heat damage. Its flexible, roll-up design makes it easy to store or take on the go, perfect for travel or compact kitchens. The built-in auto power-off function adds an extra layer of safety, giving you peace of mind during every use. Number 27, Cold Sky Fabric Shaver. Easily refresh your clothes and furniture with this rechargeable fabric shaver, featuring powerful 6-leaf blades and adjustable speed settings that effectively remove lint, fuzz, and fabric pills from sweaters, blankets, and sofas. A digital display lets you monitor battery life and speed, while a built-in safety lock ensures worry-free use. This shaver is powered by a 1200 mAh lithium rechargeable battery. It's the perfect tool for restoring worn fabrics and keeping your wardrobe and home textiles looking their best. Number 26, Smart Reading Pen. This smart digital OCR scan translator pen is a versatile reading and translation tool, a great option for travelers or individuals with dyslexia. It can scan and translate text into up to 57 languages in real time, making it easy to understand foreign material on the go. With built-in Wi-Fi, a user-friendly ergonomic design, and USB recharging, it's both portable and convenient. The pen offers up to 3.5 hours of continuous use on a single charge, powered by an 820 mAh battery. It also functions as a voice recorder and includes a built-in dictionary, helping users improve language skills and comprehension. Number 25, Smart Bedroom Table. This smart table is a great addition to your bedroom or living space. It offers plenty of storage to keep things like books, remotes, and devices organized. There's a built-in PIN code safe, perfect for keeping valuables or emergency items secure. The table is made from strong materials and can hold up to 100 pounds, so it's sturdy enough for daily use. It also comes with a built-in charging port so you can easily charge your phone, tablet, or other electronics right next to your bed. A soft built-in light adds extra convenience at night, whether you're grabbing something quickly or just need a little glow. Functional and practical, this table makes everyday life easier without taking up too much space. Number 24, Magic Cube. Here's one of those gadgets you didn't know you needed until you try it. This metal dice fidget cube spins smoothly and feels surprisingly satisfying to flip and fidget with. It keeps your hands busy and your mind calm. Made of solid metal, it has a sleek, modern look and a satisfying weight that makes it fun to use. It's small enough to carry in your pocket, so you can take it anywhere for a quick mental break. Simple, stylish, and strangely addictive, it's the perfect desk or pocket companion for stress relief or focus. use. Number 23, Smart Sensor Flush. This smart sensor flusher offers a hygienic, touch-free flushing experience that helps reduce the spread of germs, perfect for modern bathrooms. This is easy to install and simple to use. It upgrades your toilet with intelligent features like automatic lid opening, a heated seat, foot sensor operation, and an LED display. The damping jog function ensures quiet, smooth lid movement and is powered by two AAA batteries. It's efficient and low maintenance. It is designed for comfort and cleanliness. This one-piece intelligent toilet fits seamlessly into any contemporary home. Number 22, Electric Stirring Cup. This stainless steel electric stirring coffee cup offers a convenient way to mix your favorite drinks without any extra tools. Made from durable stainless steel, it's built to last and easy to clean. The built-in stirring mechanism is powered by a simple button, making it ideal for coffee, hot chocolate, protein shakes, or even tea. No more clumps or messy spoons. Just press and enjoy a smooth blend every time. The included lid helps keep your drink warm and prevents spills, making it perfect for home, office, or travel use. Compact and stylish, this cup is a great gift for anyone who enjoys well-mixed beverages with minimal effort. Batteries are required for operation and are easy to replace. Number 21, Mini Printer. This A4 inkless thermal printer offers portable printing wherever you go. No ink refills, no bulky setup. Designed for travel, it's lightweight and compact, yet supports letter-sized prints, mini prints, rolling paper, folding paper, and even tattoo paper. It connects easily to both phones and laptops via wireless or USB, and is compatible with iOS devices. Powered by a rechargeable 1500 mAh lithium battery, it operates under 36 volts and charges quickly via USB. Ideal for students, remote workers, or artists needing prints on the go, it delivers clear monochrome output using reliable thermal technology. Number 20, Automatic Fish Feeder. Never forget to feed your fish again. This automatic fish feeder dispenses food on a set schedule, even when you're away. It's easy to program and works with flakes, pellets, or granules, making it suitable for all kinds of fish. With a 200 milliliter capacity, it holds enough food for multiple days. The moisture-proof design keeps food fresh, while intelligent feeding helps prevent overfeeding and maintains a healthier aquarium. Its ultra-quiet operation won't disturb your space, and the reliable performance means your fish stay well-fed while you stay worry-free. Number 19, Electric Toilet Plunger. This electric toilet plunger uses high-pressure power to blast through blockages in toilets, showers, and sinks within seconds. No messy plunging required. This is designed for heavy-duty use. It's a must-have for any home, so if you're dealing with a minor backup or a major clog, this powerful tool makes even the toughest blockages a thing of the past. Number 18, Evoloop Rapid Egg Cooker. Are you tired of overcooked eggs or the hassle of boiling water on the stove? This rapid egg cooker takes the stress out of your morning routine, so if you prefer your eggs hard-boiled, poached, scrambled, or made into an omelet, it's designed to handle it all, cooking up to 6 eggs at once. It features automatic shutoff for peace of mind and comes with handy extras like poaching trays and a measuring cup. The clear lid also lets you watch the process unfold, making breakfast feel just a little more effortless. Number 17, Workstation Kitchen Sink. This isn't just a sink, it's a full kitchen workstation designed to simplify your daily routine. With a sleek waterfall-style faucet, multiple spray modes, a built-in cup washer, and a cutting board that fits right over the basin, it brings everything you need into one compact space. The smart touch controls add a modern touch, while the insulated, noise-reducing basin keeps things quiet even during heavy use. No matter if you're prepping vegetables or cleaning up after dinner, this all-in-one setup helps you work faster, cleaner, and more efficiently without sacrificing style. Number 16, UV Toothbrush Sanitizer. Let's be honest, your toothbrush deserves better than sitting on the sink collecting germs. This wall-mounted toothbrush holder is a smart upgrade for any bathroom. It doesn't just organize, it actively works to keep things clean with a built-in UV light that helps reduce bacteria. Designed with enough space for the whole family, it includes a mess-free toothpaste dispenser that keeps your counter clean and clutter-free. An LED indicator shows when the UV function is on or when the device is charging, so you're always in the know. Setup is simple and tool-free, and once it's on the wall, your bathroom instantly feels more modern and tidy. Give your daily routine a boost with this sleek and hygienic solution. Number 15, Solar Cell Phone Charger. When you're on the move and need dependable backup power, this tri-folding solar charger quietly steps in. With a massive 38,800 milliamp hour capacity and 4 solar panels, it's built to keep your devices going on camping, traveling, or just off the grid for a bit. It supports rapid charging, reaching up to 65% in just 30 minutes, making it a reliable option when time matters. The compact foldable design is easy to carry, and built-in LED lights come in handy during emergencies or nighttime use. Compatible with all smartphones and USB-powered devices, it's a smart, practical solution for anyone who doesn't want to be caught without power when it matters most. Number 14, graphic drawing board. If you enjoy sketching, designing, or just need a reliable tool for online classes, this 10 by 6 inch graphic drawing board makes the process smoother. The surface gives just the right amount of space to work comfortably, and the included stylus, no batteries needed, responds with pressure levels for precise, natural strokes. You can connect it to a PC, Mac, or even an Android device with OTG support. It sets up easily and fits into your routine without much fuss. The stand helps keep things comfortable during longer sessions, whether you're creating or studying. It's a solid choice for anyone exploring digital art or looking for a practical tool that simply works when you need it to. Number 13, retractable laundry rack. Short on space, but still need dependable drying options? This tri-fold wall-mounted drying rack is the smart solution. It folds flat against the wall when not in use, saving valuable room while still offering plenty of space when opened. Whether you're drying towels, clothes, or delicates, it's surprisingly roomy and always sturdy. Ideal for laundry rooms, bathrooms, or balconies, its rust-resistant build ensures long-lasting performance. Simple to install and even easier to use, it's a space-saving essential for any home. Number 12. Finger mouse. This wireless finger mouse brings both style and convenience to your setup. Designed for right-handed users, it's lightweight and compact, easy to carry, and comfortable to wear. The fun animal print adds personality, while the optical tracking ensures smooth performance across different surfaces. It is made from durable plastic. It works with computers, tablets, and even phones. It runs on batteries and doesn't require charging, making it a low-maintenance, portable option for anyone looking to combine function with a bit of flair. Number 11, Vacmaster. Tackle tough messes with ease using the Vacmaster 400 series spot cleaner. With powerful 15 kilopascal suction, this portable machine is built to handle pet stains, spills, and everyday messes on carpets, area rugs, upholstery, and couches. It comes with versatile tools that make deep cleaning quick and efficient if you're dealing with muddy footprints or pet accidents. This is compact and easy to carry. It's perfect for homes with kids or pets. It is good for convenience and strong performance. It brings a professional level clean to your everyday spaces. Number 10, Smart Curtain. The Smart Curtain Robot is a 3-in-1 automatic opener designed for track, rail, and regular rod curtains. It installs easily, offering hands-free control through a remote, timer, or voice commands. With a built-in USB rechargeable battery, it runs wirelessly and fits seamlessly into modern home automation setups. The metallic sensor ensures smooth, accurate operation, while the compact design keeps things sleek and discreet. Ideal for daily convenience or energy efficiency, this curtain opener opens and closes on your schedule. No complex setup needed, just smart, simple control for any room. Number 9, Smart Pet Door. This smart door is designed for both interior and exterior use, offering secure and convenient access for your cat. It includes 2 RFID collar sensor keys and a remote control, ensuring only your pet can enter or exit. The 4-way locking system allows you to set the door to in only, out only, open, or locked, giving you full control. The microchip compatible design offers automatic opening when your pet approaches. No batteries required. Built for durability and easy installation, it's perfect for maintaining safety while allowing freedom of movement for your cat. A reliable solution for pet owners who value both security and convenience. Number 8, Gosvor Pool Cleaner. Keeping your pool clean doesn't have to be a chore. The Gosvor Pool Vacuum Robot takes care of the hard work for you. It is designed for above-ground pools. It moves on its own. No cords, no hassle. Once charged, it runs for up to 90 minutes, covering up to 860 square feet before parking itself neatly when the job's done. Lightweight and portable, it's easy to drop in and let it go. So if it's daily upkeep or a quick clean before a swim, this cordless helper quietly keeps your pool looking clear and ready whenever you are. Number 7, 7 foldable oscillating fan. So if you're heading out on a trip or just need a breeze while working, this foldable fan is designed to keep things cool and convenient. It's ultra quiet, remote controlled, and compact enough to easily fit into a backpack or suitcase. The adjustable height and automatic oscillation lets you direct airflow exactly where you need it, while the powerful rechargeable battery ensures long-lasting use without the need for constant charging. Perfect for bedrooms, office desks, or even outdoor setups, this fan combines portability with performance, giving you reliable comfort wherever you go. Number 6. Self-cleaning ice maker. Not too bulky and refreshingly easy to use, this compact ice maker produces 9 bullet-shaped cubes in just 6 minutes and can make up to 26 pounds of ice in 24 hours. With the option to choose between 2 ice sizes, it's perfect for home kitchens, small parties, or even office use. It also features cooling and insulation functions, allowing it to double as a mini car fridge when needed. Running on standard power with no batteries required, this ice maker is a simple, reliable way to keep your drinks cold and your gathering smooth. Number 5. Portable water tank. Combining convenience with durability, this 3.2-gallon portable water tank is a great companion for camping, hiking, or emergency use. Made from BPA-free polyethylene, it offers safe, reliable water storage with a leak-proof design you can count on outdoors. The built-in faucet makes it easy to pour or access drinking water anytime without hassle. Lightweight and simple to carry or refill, it's ideal for both planned adventures and unexpected needs. This compact container delivers dependable performance at an affordable value. Number 4. Mini fridge. This mini fridge packs convenience into a compact size. With a 4-liter capacity, enough to hold up to 6 cans, it's perfect for bedrooms, dorm rooms, offices, or even your car. It works as both a cooler and a warmer, so you can keep drinks chilled or snacks warm depending on your needs. Powered by either a standard 110-volt AC outlet or a 12-volt DC car adapter, it's easy to use anywhere. Lightweight and portable, it fits right into small spaces without getting in the way. Ideal for everyday use or travel. Number 3. Smart luggage. This 20-inch suitcase is built for smooth and simple travel. With a built-in password lock and easy glide wheels, it offers both security and convenience on the go. The compact size meets standard carry-on limits but still provides generous space for packing daily essentials, clothes, or travel gear. Its durable shell stands up to frequent handling, while the lightweight design makes it easy to lift and move. Ideal for short trips, everyday commutes, or as a go-to cabin bag, it fits comfortably into overhead compartments and tight spaces. The sleek exterior and functional layout make packing and organizing straightforward. Number 2. Smart glass cleaner. Keeping windows and mirrors spotless gets easier with this 3-in-1 glass cleaning kit. It comes with a sturdy metal pole that offers a solid grip and extended reach, great for both indoor and outdoor use. The built-in spray head lets you mist surfaces directly, while the included silicone scraper leaves glass streak-free. Compact and easy to store, it simplifies your routine without needing multiple tools. Whether tackling shower doors, car windows, or tall home windows, the design helps you clean faster and more effectively. Each piece is made to last, cutting down the need for constant replacements. A smart addition to any home cleaning setup, this kit offers practicality, ease, and a polished finish every time. Number 1. Mini iron. This compact mini travel iron is designed to keep clothes wrinkle-free on the go. Lightweight and easy to pack, it fits neatly into luggage or carry-on bags without taking up much space. With dual voltage support, 120 volts and 220 volts, it's ready for international use, making it a smart pick for frequent travelers. The fast heating plate saves time when you're in a rush, and its simple design makes it easy to use on shirts, dresses, or light fabrics. So with this, we are at the end of our video. We hope you liked the video and already subscribed to our channel. Thank you for watching.